Assalamu alaikum and good evening, viewers. Hope you all are fine and enjoying your Sunday. Today I will show you this kind of the animation or presentation in Canva. Hope you will like this video and the Canva animation. Let's start our video. Before my video, let's start our video. First of all, you need an image of any country. I have uploaded an image of my beloved country, Pakistan. Expand to the whole canvas. Click on background remover and then go to elements and search for sky. I have already searched it. Expand it and click on three dots. Click on layers, show layers and place at back of this image. Now go to text, write over Pakistan, change the font, change the color, here I change the color, little bit bigger and go to layer, show layers and put in between these two images. And now expand this image like this and put it over here and in the similar way it here. Now go to element and search for the grunge. I have already searched green grunge and separate it to the whole canvas. Now again go to elements and search for the map. I have searched it already. This is the Pakistan map and go to animate. Select the animation. I use digital. Reduce the duration of this clip and duplicate the page. After duplicating the page, expand it and reduce it here. Make its transparency 0. Again, make its transparency 0 and reduce the size of this image. Put to the canvas, back to the position and drop this image. Now go to again duplicate page. This is the third one. Move it upward. Reduce its transparency and similar in this way with the sky. Reduce its transparency. Change the color of the text here. Now I will go to elements and search for frame. Click on frame. Select the frame here. Make its corner rounding up to 100%. Little bit smarter here and here. Go to elements and search the images of Pakistan. I already have selected. I will use these one to save the time. I have already searched it. Now select these three images, Control C, make it copy, and go to the second page, Control V, and reduce it down, make its transparency 0. Check out the final result. Before final result, I forgot to give the transition. We will use transition of match and move. This one, match and move, increase the duration and apply between all pages. Here is. Now see the final results. Here we go. Hope you will like my video. If you like my video, again I request you to subscribe my channel, share my videos and like my videos. Allah Hafiz till my next video.